Now we are going to start case study question number 30, and this question is based on electricity chapter, right, related to power. So every electrical appliance like an electric bulb, radio or fan has a labeled or engraved plates on it which tells us the voltage to be applied. सभी इंस्ट्रूमेंट में लिखा रहता है और कितना पावर वो कंज्यूम करता है, right? This is written in every electronic electrical appliances, and the electrical power consumed by it. The power rating of an electrical appliance tells us the rate at which electrical energy is consumed by the appliance. For example, a power rating of 100 watts on the bulb, which means that it will consume electrical energy at the rate of 100 joules per second. If we know the power P and voltage V of an electrical appliance, then we can very easily find out the current I drawn by it. This can be done by using this formula. P is equals to V into I. Okay, so P divided by V करेंगे तो हम लोग को I मिल जाएगा. So based on this, so let us start with the first question. Which of the following does not represent electrical power in a circuit? फर्स्ट अभी फॉर्मूला देखे थे, वी पी इज इक्वल टू वी इंटू आई. दिस इज करेक्ट. और वी को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं आई आर, तो ये हो जाएगा आई स्क्वायर आर, ये भी करेक्ट है. ओके, और आई को हम लोग वी बाई आर लिख सकते हैं, वी बाई आर, दैट मीन्स वी स्क्वायर बाई आर, ये भी करेक्ट है. तो कौन सा गलत है इसमें?
ऑप्शन बी.
Right.
Option B.
Option B. Right. Now the next question: an electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. What is the resistance of the bulb? V दिया हुआ है, P दिया हुआ है, और हम लोग अभी फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे ये वाला, P is equals to V square by R. So this is the formula. Now we'll substitute the value of P, that is 100, and V 220. ओके, सो ये दोनों एक इंटरचेंज कर सकते हैं हम लोग. सो कितना मिलेगा? R इज इक्वल टू 220 इंटू 220 अपॉन 100. तो ये 2 0 कैंसिल कर दो इसके साथ में. सो 22 इंटू 22 484. दैट मीन्स विच ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन?
Option C.
Option C, right. So this is the second question. Now we'll move toward the third question. When the bulb in second, इससे पहले वाला, is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be. Now see, bulb अगर हम लोग 110 वोल्ट में यूज कर रहे हैं या 220 वोल्ट में यूज कर रहे हैं, उसका रेजिस्टेंस चेंज नहीं होगा. ओके, उसका पावर चेंज होगा, वोल्ट और वी हम लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं, बट रेजिस्टेंस जो रहेगा वो सेम रहेगा. राइट. तो हम लोग को जो सेकेंड बिट में जो रेजिस्टेंस मिला था 484 ohms, that we can use in this question. So again I am using the same formula, P is equals to V square by R. Now in this case the value of V is 110 and R we got 484. Okay, ये समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? So 110 into 110 upon 484. So if you calculate, you will get approximately 25 watt. So the correct answer is D bit. Next question. The commercial unit of energy is watts, watt hour, kilowatt hour, kilojoule. Which question is the which option is the correct answer? Option C.
Option C.
Right. So now we are moving toward the last question. What will be the current drawn by an electric bulb of 40 watt when it is connected to a source of 220 volt? The P दिया हुआ है, V दिया हुआ है, I निकालना है. So which formula we will use? P is equals to V into I. Now we'll substitute the value of P 40 or V 220. So I will be 40 upon 220. So this you will get 2 upon 11. ठीक है, 2 upon 11 approximately it is equals to 0.2 1.8 ampere. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Right. So this is the last question of this case study question. Now we'll see the next case study question in the next one. So thank you.